Today I'm going to show you 6 ways how you can use nail stickers. Now I'm not talking about all the nail art supplies that you have, because you have all the crystals and the 3D kind of objects that you put in your nail. What I'm talking about is just the stickers. So the best thing about using stickers is that they are cut out. I could have printed them using a normal printer, but to cut them out like this, it would be a really hard work, and it's not for everybody. Look at these, for example, really tiny details. Like, it's literally impossible to cut it if it's on paper. But since they are printed on this transparent film, I can take them and paste wherever I want. So the first thing I can show you is the scrapbook. As you can see, I have here a tiny book, sewn together pages, and I have some pages decorated. If I wanted to be more classic and vintage with all the dry leaves and those distressed letters and paper and textures, I would use more stickers with dry flowers, something gentle, okay, like this. So it's up to you. I even found this type of stickers, and these, for example, you can make into a book. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are rare because I haven't seen more of these, but you know, sometimes when you look up for things, you find something really remarkable, so that's cute. So if we take this idea of scrapbook and scale it up a little bit, we're going to make a notice board or mood board. So some of the stickers I'm going to first glue on paper and then put them on a board, and others will be straight away on the board. Okay, those stickers are amazing. Just as I saw them, I knew how I'm going to use them. And you've probably guessed it's going to be window bars. Look how detailed those bars are. So I used those windows right here on one of my dioramas. You can see this particular one on my channel. And see, we have the same stickers over here. Other stickers I like very, very much are these gilded stickers. They are a little bit 3D. As nail stickers, they are not great because they don't hold on the nails, at least not on mine. But look at those elaborate patterns and look how pretty the color is. So I can use them to decorate jewelry box. We can use these. I think they will look perfect. So I'm just going to cover all the surface of the box. I also have those beautiful stickers, and oh, that looks nice. Yeah, that looks really nice. That looks not bad. So maybe something from here will fit. So that's how I decided to decorate this one. The best thing is that you can use it on any kinds of boxes. For example, you want to make something vintage ladies boudoir vibe, so you can make those boxes for shoes or hats, and the decor can be different, so it's really nice. Here I have another one, really small, with some gold decor on top. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Another way we can use our stickers is to decorate plates and bowls. So for that, for the plate, I'm going to use those stickers. As you can see, they are golden and very much fit the design of the plate. So you will have those nice decorated plates you can use in a dollhouse to put on the walls or just part of the kitchen utensils. And for the bowls, we will be using those designs, the long line that I need to put . So as you can see, the bowl looks really nice with this gilded pattern. And it's something you won't be able to do in any other way. You can't really paint it so precisely, you can't print it and glue it, so these are the best. Finally, we can use nail stickers to create wall art like these two things I have here. So we will choose something cute from here. Maybe this picture. That looks very nice. Yeah, that's really cute. That's what I wanted to show you today, guys. I hope you will find some of these ideas useful. If you have some more ideas, I would love to learn about them, and you're more than welcome to share them in the comments so we can talk about them. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.